Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be reviewing some new cases for the S24 Ultra. So if you're looking for a case for your new S24 Ultra, stay tuned. Okay, so if you are a owner of the new S24 Ultra, these phones cost about $1,300 and you're going to want some type of protection on your phone. So I've got some cases here to take a look at, some for design, some for protection, and some for everyday use. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So first we've got the Galaxy S24 Ultra Flipsuit Case. This is the official Samsung Flipsuit Case. These are inspired by different artists. This one is from Keith Haring. So we'll go ahead and open this up. My understanding is how these are designed is you put the Flipsuit on your phone and it will automatically generate the design that it shows here on the case back on your lock screen. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So go ahead and open this up. And it looks like we've got just some paper here. And we've got some instructions. So let's go ahead and throw this on. So it looks like there's another piece of paper here. So here is the plate, the Flipsuit, and then this is a bumper case. So my understanding, we'll go ahead and throw this on there. So we just go ahead and pop it on like that. And if we go ahead and turn over our phone, it now says downloading Flipsuit case content. So it automatically notices that there is a Flipsuit case on there, and there we go. And it just automatically downloaded and installed on the lock screen the same design that is on the back here. So Samsung has a few different variations of this. This is the Keith Haring. So this is pretty cool. My understanding is it has an NFC tag in the plate here. And so that's how it notices how to transfer that information to the lock screen. You can then take the bumper case and go ahead and put the phone into the bumper case. Oops, having a little technical difficulty. We'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, you want to make sure that that plate is flat, and then when you put the bumper case on, that will go ahead and hold in the back plate there. So here we go. That is what the lock screen looks like. So different kind of case, gives you some style of your own for your phone. Like I said, Samsung has some other designs. Once again, this is the Keith Haring. So let's go ahead and pop this one off and take a look at our next case. Okay, so next up we've got the Torx case, and this is the magnetic shockproof case. The Torx has a 12-foot military grade drop protection. It is MagSafe compatible. It has grip on the sides. It also has camera protection. It is wireless charging compatible, and you can pick these up for just about 25 bucks or under on Amazon. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we get. All right, so typical Torx fashion. I have one of these cases from my S23 Ultra. I also have one for the iPhone 15 Pro. So opening this up, looks like we get some different colored buttons. There's some orange and some yellow buttons there. Inside we have a, looks like your warranty to activate. So there's a QR code. We can go ahead and activate that. And then we've got the case inside of this little sleeve. I'll go ahead and set that over here. All right, and so here is the Torx case, and you can see it has a MagSafe ring built into it. Definitely has the cutout and protection for the cameras. Along the edges here, we have some Torx branding, nice and smooth. There is a little bit of grip there. On this side, we have our power button, our volume up and down rockers, and then it is kind of a frosted or smoked back to the case. Definitely be nice, no fingerprints. So let's go ahead and pop it on the phone. And I'll go ahead and put that on there. And nice fit. So there it is on the phone. Go ahead and go around the bottom. So we've got our cutout for our S Pen. We have the cutout for the USB-C charging port and for the speaker. On the top, we have a cutout here for our microphone, our two microphones here. And there is a little bit of lip protection going around. So this is definitely, I would recommend one of these cases. I love MagSafe, and having the ability to add that to my S24 Ultra is great. So, all right. So that is the Torx case. Let's go ahead and pop that one off, and let's take a look at our next case, which is our Spigen case. And this is the Spigen Cryo Armor case. This is military grade drop protection as well. This particular case uses what's called Arctic Flow technology, and what it is it's a thermo-silicone sheet, and what it does is it keeps the device cooler. So there's air ventilation that absorbs the heat, and then it releases through the ventilated case, which is nice. Keep your phone nice and cool, especially if you're doing some gaming. Go ahead and open this one up. This one also has camera protection, wireless charging compatible, and it's about 25 bucks on Amazon, so not bad. This is the Cryo Armor in the red. I believe it also comes in blue. So let's go ahead and open this one up. All right, and if you've had a Spigen case before, this is what you get. We got our case here. It says something you want. There is a little bit of, we'll go ahead and peel that off. And we'll go ahead and just kind of take a look at that case. So around the edges there, you can see there's some grip here. There's no branding on that side. If we look on this side, we've got our volume up and down and our power button, which has a different texture on it, which is always nice. A little bit of grip there. And then this is the back of the case. Now, this is really cool. I like that red with the kind of honeycomb back. On the top, we've got the two microphone speakers. And on the bottom, we've got our cutout for our S Pen, our speaker, and our USB charging port. So let's go ahead and throw this one on. And there we go. And definitely going to get some good protection with that. You can see this also has a lip that goes around, which is going to protect your screen. We've got the flat screen on the S24 Ultra now, so that's really nice. And then also around here, we've got definitely some camera protection, so you're not going to do any damage to those lenses. Get up close there so you can kind of see that. So that is the Spigen Cryo Armor. So let's talk about some of these cases. So depending on what you're looking for, like I said, I prefer MagSafe. Definitely use this in a more outdoor, if I'm going outdoors hiking or doing some strenuous activities or something like that. I'm definitely going to use this for the protection. For day-to-day, I'll probably use the Torx with the MagSafe, just because I use a lot of the different MagSafe devices, such as wallets and power banks and stands and stuff like that, which is really nice for this phone. So if you're looking for an affordable case with MagSafe, then the Torx is going to be a great case and adds very little bulk to the device. You can see that this does add a little bit of bulk on the Cryo Armor, but the Torx adds very little bulk, if any. so you have a good peace of mind. The more rugged case here on the Spigen Cryo Armor, both cases have premium materials, and both manufacturers stand behind their products. I've owned many Spigen cases, many of the Torx cases. They do make some other cases by Torx that have MagSafe rings with the built-in stand, which is nice for these larger devices. So which case do you use on your S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below. If you're not using one of these brands, what brand are you using and why? And as always, appreciate you watching the video. If you enjoyed this, please like the video, click the bell notification, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks again.